In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and click Create. This is where you begin building a new workspace for your project. Smartsheet gives you a few ways to start, and choosing the right one depends on how much structure you want from the beginning. Next, choose either a blank sheet or a project plan template. A blank sheet is a great option if you want full control and prefer to build everything from scratch. A template can save time because it already includes a basic layout designed for project tracking. If you're new to Smartsheet or just want to move quickly, a template can make setup much easier. Once your sheet is open, add your task names in the primary column. This first column is the main place where your project activities will live, so keep the task names clear and specific. For example, instead of writing something vague, try naming each task based on the action that needs to be completed. This makes the entire plan easier to read and manage later. After that, add columns for start date, end date, owner, status, and notes. These columns help turn a simple list into a real project plan. The start and end date columns define the schedule. The owner column shows who is responsible for each task. The status column helps you track progress, and the notes column gives you space for extra details, updates, or reminders. Setting these up early helps keep everything organized from the start. Now enter your project tasks and deadlines. As you fill in each row, make sure the information is accurate and consistent. Add the task name, assign dates, choose the person responsible, and update the status so your plan reflects the current state of the project. Taking a little extra time here will make the plan much more useful when the project gets busy. If you want to see your schedule visually, turn on Gantt View. This gives you a timeline-based layout that makes it easier to understand how tasks are spread out over time. It's especially helpful for spotting overlapping work, checking deadlines, and getting a clearer picture of the overall project flow. Finally, share the project plan with your team. Collaboration is one of the biggest advantages of using Smartsheet, so once your plan is ready, make sure the right people can access it. That way, everyone can stay informed, review updates, and work from the same source of truth, and that's how to create a simple, organized project plan in Smartsheet.